Choosing high-quality Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers and selecting the right thickness becomes an important issue with the wide range of Mercedes wheel spacers on the market. You need safe Mercedes wheel spacers to fit your E-Class. Mercedes wheel spacers are available in two types, one with half century and one without half century. Half century wheel spacers are best suited for your 2024 E-Class. Half century Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of vibration caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Half-century Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers are preferred by professional wheel spacer manufacturers and auto part reviewers over like-century wheel spacers. You will need to install half-century wheel spacers or wheel adapter if the Mercedes E-Class aftermarket wheels have a center hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck. The installation of the Mercedes half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher level of stability. BONOSS Mercedes wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to better fit the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared to the common ones, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS Mercedes wheel spacers makes the installation more fitting and safer. In addition, the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted to wheels with different data, thus providing vehicle owners with more choice. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exclusive and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS Mercedes wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS Mercedes FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Mercedes wheel spacers fit perfectly on the E-Class. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fenders. Remember to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels as well.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.